Good day, everyone. Welcome to Tutors. Today, we are going to start a sedimentology series, and our focus is on the sedimentary rock classification. A brief introduction into sedimentary rocks. So, imagine there's a rock, a sedimentary rock, and you have grains. Okay, you have grains. Okay, okay. So, a sedimentary rock, there are things that it's composed of. These are what we call what grains. They are grain size. We call them grains. Can you see this space? It's known as what? The void space. The void space. Also known as what? Pore space. Pore space. These smaller particles are called what? Matrix or matrix. I say matrix. They consist of the clay and clay silt sized particle. Okay? Good. So in classifying the sandstone, what do we need to use? First, we use what is known as what? The ternary diagram. The ternary diagram. The ternary diagram. The ternary diagram. Okay. So our classification is on the grains. And the grains, based on the grains and the matrix. So the grains consist of the quartz, the quartz, the feldspar, and the rock fragment. So you can denote this as RF, here as F, and here as Q. So next in line is how to plot the ternary diagram. How to plot the ternary diagram. Because this is the important thing that I'm going to do in this first part of the video. Okay? So a ternary diagram is just a triangle. Okay? So I try to make sure that it's equilateral. So I use 5 centimeter here. 5 centimeter here. And I join this to this. Good. So on your ternary diagram, you have Q, you have F, and you have RF. Okay. And this ternary diagram, you have to split each side into 10. So increasing in percentage, you get. Okay. So we have this, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Come here to split it to 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And this side also, you split it to 10. You split this side also into 10. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Let it gets longer. Okay. Here's up to 50, 58. Okay. So I'm just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, good. So each of these can show what? Increasing towards this part and what? Decreasing towards this part. Increasing towards this part, then decreasing towards this other part. And here, you can also show the same thing. Increasing and what? Increasing towards this part. So I'm going to do it in the area of increasing quotes, this side and this side, increasing quotes. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, yes, 100. The same thing, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. And here, you can either do it in this manner or in this manner, either increasing feldspar or increasing rock fragment. So I can start from increasing rock fragment 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Good. So in an example of plotting your ternary diagram, plotting your grains on your ternary diagram. So for example, given that you did a sampling on a sedimentary rock and you got that what quartz is 70%, feldspar feldspar is 20%, and rock fragment is 10%. So always make sure that the sum of all your grains should lead to 100. Sum of all your grains should lead to 100. It must always be like that. Okay, so how do you plot it? Good. So this is increasing quartz. It's increasing quartz. There must always be two sides that are denoting the same thing. Okay, so increasing quartz here and increasing quartz here. 70 here, 70 here. You join it together. Okay, we've done for quartz. Now feldspar. This side we have feldspar here. So but feldspar is increasing this way, which means this is 90 for quartz, but this is 10 for feldspar. But feldspar that we need is what? 20. Can you see that? Okay, good. Now what other place line that involve feldspar? This line. So, but this is increasing, this way is increasing rock fragment, but this other way is what? Increasing feldspar. Here that is 90 for rock fragment will be what? 10. So we are counting it like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 for feldspar. So what will be the 20? Here is 10 for increasing feldspar. Here will be 20. So 20 for increasing feldspar here. Then we have 20 also in this place for increasing feldspar. So we join it together. Can you see that? Okay. Then the last part is for what? Rock fragment. Okay. Here is increasing what? Rock fragment. We have 10. And here is also what? Can you see? This way, you are increasing for what? Quartz. 10, 20. But for rock fragment, here will be at what? 10. Here is 0. Here will be at 10, 20. So what do we need? 10%, right? So 10% join to this other 10%. Good. These points here is how you what? Classify on the ternary diagram. Okay, you've plot what? You've classified it based on what? Dot classification, the quartz, feldspar, and rock fragment on this what? Diagram. Good. So in summary, what have I said so far? You need to draw a triangle. In this triangle for a ternary diagram, just make sure that the sides are divided into what? 10 parts. Okay, each of the sides. I made use of a almost, I can say isosceles triangle where this part and this side are isosceles. So I made sure that what? Any reading from here, we must match the reading on the other side. So there must be 2 points where so here is an increasing cut, here is also an increasing cut. That way we can join the 70 here to the 70 here. In this place, this side is increasing what? Rock fragment. This side is increasing rock fragment. This means 10% for rock fragment here. This 10% for rock fragment here. We join it together. Here is 20% for feldspar. In this way, this is the increasing for feldspar. Okay, feldspar increases this way. So here is 10, here is 20. We mark here. In this side, here is like this way, upward is increasing what? Cut. Downward is what? Is increasing feldspar. So if here like this increases feldspar, I mean start from here, 0, 10, 20. Then I join it together. So the point where all of them join together, that is your what? Dot classification. So in the next video, we're going to solve a question. interpret it, and I'm going to explain some few things. Thank you for listening.